The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
7 years ago, almost to be exact, this happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and told me that to be careful, and I explained to him what happened. These girls that came here, how I met them the first time is that one of them got beat up by some dancers, some street dancer guy who said that she mixed him up with his wife and he beat her so bad. They reached out to me as a friend that I know a long time. And I put them up, show them love, they flew out. If I never showed them love, they wouldn't ask me to come back here. And I showed them love on a brotherly terms. But they know people in Jamaica. They've been coming to Jamaica like 4 or 5 times. Remember, she was talking to a dancer, and then they know artists. So in that time of grief, when they were hurt about the situation, I'm sure they send the video to maybe a couple or few or maybe one Jamaican friend, who knows. But it was there all this time. But it just leaves me to figure that it seems like now it, fall into one of the hands of someone that would really like to terminate you, in every way they can. Them social media warfare that them set up out there for fight. These are them little trick where them pull. Yeah, because everyone have them private life. And you don't know. You and someone in an argument and someone a video you without you knowledge is a form of setup and a blackmail. You feel me? Yeah, because I was always good to them. That was the only bad moment me and them share from the time they were here in Jamaica. I show them so much love and take care of them. It's just because I've realized things missing on my house, valuable items, and some cash. And I asked about it, and it caused some vibes, and we just start talking about all of different things. So I said, yeah, I'm grateful. Let's give back my ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah, plus I'm not fucking even either of them either. I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them. And I definitely apologize for that in myself. But deeply, they know I didn't mean anything because I didn't touch them.
Viewers and subscribers, and I really social media is a place sometimes it can be mixed up, gossip and scandal and all these things. You see what I say? Alright, so I just presented to you a audio that is out on social media, and according to what I've been said on social media about that audio, it is said that the person speaking in that audio is said to be a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jacure. And according to what I've been said on social media about the audio, it is said that Jacure talk about a video that is circulating on social media. Now, I don't have a lot of confirmed information about the video that is being talked about in this audio, you see me? But however, for you to get a better understanding for yourself, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a video that I posted about the video that is being talked about in this audio that I just presented to you. Alright? Yeah, according to what has been said on social media about the video that is being talked about in this audio, it is said that in that audio you can hear persons talking, and it is said that one of those persons is said to be Jacure asking back for his money from one or maybe more than one females. You see me? But I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video so that you can hear for yourself or see for yourself what this video is about. You see me, I say? Alright, so I'm going to move on to a video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and this video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that he's going to have to pay extra to renew his driver's permit because of a delay to pay his driver's permit on time that is not his fault. So it's like this person is saying that he could have paid for the renewal of his driver's permit, but because of COVID-19 restrictions within his country, he could not do so, and he's saying that he now realizes that he's going to have to pay extra for the renewal of his driver's permit because he took a certain amount of time to do so that is not his fault. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I could explain more about this whole thing that this person talk about, isn't it? But before I say anything else, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear for yourself some of the things that this person had said, isn't it? And according to some things that this person said, I get the understanding that he's saying that this had happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hello everyone. This is my first video post on any type of social media, but I think it has become necessary. My driver's permit expired sometime in June, and due to the COVID restrictions, we were asked to fill out an online application form in order to do a renewal for driver's permit. So I did the application. I got sometime in October to go do the renewal. Having arrived at the license office in San Fernando in October, when I was there waiting almost an hour, I asked one of the clerks there what was the procedure because I was waiting more than an hour. She had a list, and after checking the list, I was informed that my name was not on the list for renewal. So then I spoke to one of the license officers there. They told me that, well, it's probably an error on my part or a part on the system, so I should reapply. Not a problem. Having made numerous attempts to apply after that, it was impossible because at some point I was getting messages where I was being informed that I couldn't apply at that point in time for a date, and then there were times when no dates were available. So I called. You can never get through a license office, whichever one. I called every single one of them in Trinidad, and at any given point in time, nobody answers a phone there. So I did finally get through with an appointment, getting a date on the 18th of January, 2021. Now, there is apparently after 6 months of the expiration date of your permit, there is a fine, or there is an additional $375 that you have to pay. Having COVID restrictions prevented a lot of people from renewing their permits in a reasonable time. So I am wondering, why do I have to now pay an additional $375 to go renew my permit on January the 18th, 2021, when I could go right now in license office to renew my permit, but I can't. I have to wait on an appointment. And many of you will fall prey to this. Just needed to let everybody know that at some point in time, this ridiculousness has to stop. I could go tomorrow at license office to renew my permit if given the chance, and I wouldn't have to pay an additional $375. So the government or whoever is in charge put a system in place that I am personally feeling it conning people out of their money. Something needs to be done about this. I hope that somebody sees this and able to share this so that the relevant authorities will know, listen, this is not my fault that I cannot go right now and renew my permit. This is a system that was put in place, and this system has a flaw. I shouldn't have to actually pay $375 fine or extra to renew my permit when I am able to do that now, but the system in place is not permitting me to do that. So somebody out there, please shed light on this, and I really hope that I can go into license office sometime within the next week or 2 weeks to renew my permit and disregard that date on the 18th of January 2021 to renew my permit and having to pay an additional $375.
Viewers and subscribers, I have never seen anyone pick money off a tree and get rich. I have never seen anyone plant money in the ground and money tree grow before. I've never seen those things. You see me? But in my point of view, a lot of persons work hard for their money. I'm not saying that everyone, I can't speak for everyone, but a lot of persons work hard for their money. You see me? The things that this person said in this video, I get the understanding that he's saying that he could have paid for the renewal of his driver's permit within the time given that you should do so whenever your driver's permit expires or expired within the country that he's in. But because of COVID-19 restrictions, he was not able to do so. And because of that, it's going to cost him extra to get his driver's permit renewed. That's the understanding that I get. And I think it is unfair. You see me? I'm not bashing anyone, but I'm just telling you what I think. You see me? And in my point of view, I think that something like this should be pardoned. You know what I mean? I think the government within that person's country should take a look into something like this. You see me I say? Yeah, that's what I think. You can let me know what you think about the things that this person said in this video, viewers and subscribers. But I'm just telling you what I think. I think it is unfair. But here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the audio that I presented to you, and let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you, and big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. 10.